Hey, MNTV family, it's Mike here, and it has been a little while, hasn't it? First off, I have missed you all. It feels like it has been so long since I've been in front of the camera, but hey, it's good to be back. And I am excited to catch up with you guys. I've got a lot to share about what's been going on and some exciting change that we're going to make to the channel, and of course, what is coming up next. So stick around because 2025 is going to be big. All right, let's address the elephant in the room. Where have we been? Well, after our crazy road trip, by the way, we'll link to that, I decided it was time to take a little bit of a break. If you followed our adventures, you know how much work goes into these videos, planning the trips, doing the trip, filming the content, editing everything. It's a blast, don't get me wrong, but it can be a little bit overwhelming as well. So I hit pause to take a breath, spend some time with the family, do some more home-based things, just stuff without filming, right? And to recharge. And honestly, it was the reset I really didn't realize I needed. And now I'm back feeling refreshed and ready to take MNTV to the next level. So let's talk about the future. We are going to be making a little bit of a course change, course correction, a minute deviation from where we have been going. Don't worry, you're still gonna get all the travel adventures and the family fun. Those aren't going anywhere. We'll still be bringing you along on all the road trips, day trips, exciting experiences, all of that. But I also want to make sure this channel is as useful as it is fun. So we're going to start adding more videos focused on travel tips and tricks, stuff that will actually make your family trips easier, more affordable, and more enjoyable. So what kind of things can you expect from the channel going on in the future? We'll be talking more about packing hacks, because seriously, who hasn't overpacked for a trip? Family-friendly places to visit, from hidden gems to must-see spots. How to keep your kids entertained when you're stuck in the airport or on a long drive. And even budgeting tips for making your travel dreams a reality. Basically, if it helps families travel better, we're going to cover it. So whether you're here for the adventure or just some solid advice, we've got ya. All right. Let's get to the good stuff. What's coming up this year? 2 words, Jamaica man. Don't do that. Ooh. 1 word, Jamaica. Yep, we're planning an incredible trip to Jamaica this summer, and I cannot wait to bring you along. It's going to be packed with sun, fun, and everything you expect from an epic family vacation. But that's not all. We've got more road trips in the works, some surprise day trips, and who knows what else. I am personally also committing to being way more active on social media. If you know what, I'm not good at social media. Not good at it at all. In fact, if you're watching this and you want to be my social media manager, just shoot us an email or something, because I am bad at it. But I am making a commitment this year to be better at it, to get onto social media, to post more of our pictures and behind the scenes and all that kind of stuff. So if you're not already following us, now is the time. You can find us at MNTV Family on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And just expect more behind the scenes moments, quick tips, and probably bloopers too, because let's face it, we're not perfect, and that's part of the fun. And speaking of new content, I am excited to share that we'll be continuing our monthly live stream series, the Globetrotter Guides, with my friend Aliesha Pulliam at Aliesha Nicole on YouTube. If you haven't checked it out yet, you are missing some seriously good conversations. Aliesha and I bring two very different travel perspectives to the table. She's more about solo travel, while I focus more on family adventures. So it's the perfect mix of tips, tricks, and stories. We talk about everything from hotel hacks to must-visit destinations and even some wild travel experiences. Feel free to ask Aliesha about the time she ate ox testicles. Yeah, you heard me right. We've got some amazing topics coming up for this year, and we'd love you to join us live, where you can ask questions and be part of the conversation. Keep an eye out on our socials for dates and topics, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next episode. And while we're on the topic of support, I gotta give a huge thanks to our Patreons. You are the reason why we can keep creating and doing what we do. Your support means everything to us. And to show more of our gratitude, we're making sure that the best of our content goes on Patreon first. That's right, Patreon members will get early access to our top videos before they go live on YouTube. So, if you love what we do and want to help keep the channel growing, head over to Patreon and join the MNTV family there. You'll get exclusive perks, behind the scenes content, and more. Plus, you'll be helping us keep the adventure rolling. And now, I'm going to take a minute to talk about one of our amazing sponsors from this summer, Bonfire Shades. If you've seen any of our summer videos, you've definitely noticed us rocking these sunglasses. They are honestly the best shades I've ever owned. Here's why I love them. Every pair is polarized, so they protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. Whether you're hiking, hanging at the beach, or just cruising on a road trip, Bonfire Shades keep our eyes safe while helping us look pretty stylish, if I do say so myself. But what makes them even more special is that all sales support the Calgary Firefighters Burn Treatment Center. So when you grab a pair, you're not just getting a great product, you're also helping burn survivors and support an amazing, incredible cause. They've got tons of styles to choose from, so there's something for everyone, whether you're into a classic look or something a little more bold. While we don't have a discount code yet, it would mean the world to us if you let them know MNTV sent you when you order. You can check them out at bonfireshades.ca. Trust me, once you try them, you will never go back to your old sunglasses. A huge thanks to Bonfire Shades for keeping us looking cool and supporting such an important cause. All right, MNTV family, that's the update. We're back, refreshed, and ready to drive into the new year full of travel, tips, and unforgettable adventures. Let me know in the comments what kind of topics you want us to cover. Packing tips, family-friendly destination, budget-friendly hacks. Whatever it is, we're here for it. And don't forget to follow us on social media at MNTV Family for even more travel fun. And remember, Patreon is the place to be if you want early access to exclusive content. So definitely check that out too. Thanks so much for being part of the journey with us. Your support means everything, and we're so excited for what comes next. Stay tuned, and until next time, keep exploring. How to keep your kids entertained when you're stuck in an airport on our long even budgeting trips and making you feel and even budgeting wow. Bonfire keeps our eyes safe while helping look. Bonfire Shades keep our eyes safe. Bonfire Shades keep our eyes safe. Ooh. Safe. Keep our eyes safe. Bonfire Shades keep our eyes safe while helping. Oh dear.